clean these knobs, which just comes out way too easily. You can easily see the problem with the knobs is that they just don't rise up high enough. All the knobs just come out right way too easily. This one is still gripping on. Oh no, it's not. And they can interchange them. You can unscrew your center console that way. You can see you can see the orange illumination through the back of them. Just look at how terribly built this thing is. That's the back of the thing is. So this is number 2. And this is number 1. This is number 2. No idea though, this is a there we go. Ugh.